Hi. I got you your favorite cheesecake. Can I sit here? Beside you? Thanks. So, look, I'm sorry I couldn't check up on you, and I was busy studying for finals, and I'm really sorry. Really? You're a really nice person. Thanks. Just sit here. How long have you been sitting on this couch for? Are you okay? No, today was a really long day, and we had a 3-hour physics class, and then 2-hour biology class. And then we had some dissections. It was a really long day, but I'm kind of tired, but it's okay. Come on, tell me about your day. What was your day? Really? I'm so sorry. Yeah, I know how that feels. I totally get it. It is already raining, and then you also had a gloomy day, a sad one. It was long, and the teachers were pricks. Except the librarian, though. Yeah, she's the sweetest person I've ever met in my whole entire life. Well, second. First is you. I'm so happy to have you as my roommate. Like, whenever I hear people fighting over, doing chores around the house and stuff like that, other roommates in this alliance, it's weird because we never fight. We're like besties. There's that smile. I made you smile. Yeah. So your day was bad. Okay, not that bad, but bad. Okay, it still counts. You're sad about it. What happened? Oh, you got your timetable for the finals? Yeah, I knew it. Well, what was your major again? Oh, yeah. You're pretty intellectual, Pretty cool. What do you mean? I mean it. You are pretty cool and smart, You get good grades in math. No one can get good grades in math. I know I'm the nerd of the campus, but I am literally from the science department. The medical department. Math is not on my list. You're a genius, to be honest. You can be a perfect mathematician one day. Yeah. I'm tired. I'm sorry. Word slips out of my mouth, and sometimes I just stumble. Okay, this is not about me, this is about you. So, are you stressed about finals? I totally get it. Totally understand. I know what it feels like. I know how you feel. It's not easy, right? Yeah. So you're telling me that you've studied half of your syllabus. You've covered half of it. more than half. Okay, more than half of it. And you still think that you're not prepared enough for the finals. Okay, at this point, I think you're just overworked. Yeah. You're not eating properly, you're not getting proper sleep, you barely talk to me. Well, I know I was busy studying for the finals too. I mean, my finals like in 2 days, and your finals like a week. And you have covered like more than half your syllabus, which is a really good thing. I mean, I was prepared before, that's why I've completed all my syllabus. What's your first exam? Oh my god. I don't like the sound of that. Bro, you got amazing grades in that subject, and you're still stressed about it? Yes, I am talking about your midterms. I saw your result. You were on the... No, you were literally on the high achievers list. In the front of the college board. Hey, look at me. Hey, it's okay. Shh, look at me. I'm trying to cheer you up, okay? I'm here for you. Here, take my hand. Yes, it's washed. Take my hand. There we go. Oh my god, your hands are so cold. Why are your hands so cold? Oh yeah? I see. Yeah, you can, here, put, my sweater is a bit, it's oversized, so you can like put your hand inside my sleeve. Here. There you go. Oh my god. My hands are really cold. Okay. But yeah, you can put both of them here. Both of my hands. Warm? Alright. What was that? Oh my god. Never mind. So, how do you feel? You're so nice. You literally just said good because now I'm here. Yeah, because now that I'm here, you feel good. Bestie. You're too cute. Ow, what was that for? I am not flirting with you, please. Please, look away, Patricia. Bruh. Okay. So... How did I do it? Well, I had schedules. I didn't go on the internet for weeks. I mean, yeah, you don't even have social medias. What are you talking about? You're barely there. How do I know? Because that's what your friends tell me. They tell me that you're barely hanging out with them, you're always in your room studying or just making notes. That's not what when you know that you have to study. But you can't just study the whole day. You need to freshen up your mind. You're just getting overworked and stressing yourself over and over again. And it's not good for your health. What did you eat? Did you eat a banana and a bowl of cereal? Okay, that's healthy, but the amount? That's ridiculous. Ridiculously less. You need to eat more. That's all you ate? Bro, it's literally 9 p.m. and you woke up at 6. Did you even sleep at night? You didn't. Oh my god, you're an idiot. You hate yourself. But Then if you don't, then why are you doing this to yourself? I'm not mad at you. Well, practically I am mad at you, because, look, I don't want... Stop. Shut up. Okay. Now listen to me. Okay. Let me think. Let me put it in a way. There are so many different ways that you can cheer yourself up. Like, freshen your mind. You still have a week to complete the rest of your syllabus. How many subjects are left? You have 7 subjects and 2 are left? Bro. You've done such a great job. Come on, look at me. Hey, look at me. It's okay. It's not just okay, it's great. Actually. I'm free now, and you don't have to study right now. Yeah, you should, like, go take a nap. When you wake up, you know what? You should go take a nap right now, and then I'll wake you up at, like, 12? Oh, no, not 12, actually. You need to really get sleep. So I'll wake you up tomorrow. Okay? I'll wake you up tomorrow. And then we go have a breakfast. It's a really nice, at a really nice... What is going on, bro? Listen to me. I'm sorry, I'm tired. I'm just... Okay. We can go have a breakfast at a really nice place. A lot of breakfast. Yeah, healthy one. And, good amount of fruit, nutrients, vitamins, minerals. Okay, I'll shut up. Sorry. Yeah, I know that stuff makes you dizzy. Same freaking math. I don't like math. But you're so good at it. Practically, you're a nerd. Okay, we're nerds. We're nerd besties. Yeah, I totally get it. Yeah, I get that a lot. No, when someone calls me a nerd, I just tell them that it's not my fault that they're dumb and they don't know what I'm talking about. That doesn't make me a nerd. That makes me smarter than them. And if they want to be like me, then they should say it to my face. Why are they jealous? Yes, I'm a baddie, I know. Okay, guys. Okay, listen to me. Bruh, you should sleep. And then you can wake up in the morning. I'll make you coffee or tea, whatever you like. And then we could go have breakfast at a really nice place. I'll pay for it, don't worry. Yeah, promise. And then after that, we come back home. We watch a movie. Yes, we watch a movie. And then we go to the convenience store. We're gonna get some snacks for ourselves, and then we're gonna eat it in the convenience store. Alright. And then, yeah, I'm telling you, I'm planning this right now with you. And then we can come back home. I don't know, we can just, sit in the balcony of our apartment and, look outside and feel the moment, just, make your life like a freaking movie. Like 2 best friends chilling in the balcony, talking shit about people. I love talking shit about people. Not the nice people, the bad people. Like Rebecca from 8th grade, high school. 8th grade, high school. Oh my god, do you remember her? She's a piece of trash. Gross. I don't like her. I still don't like her. Yeah, she's in the same uni as us. I think she's in the engineering department. I don't even know how she got here. She was a dumbass fuck. Alright. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna talk shit about people at the balcony, and then we can maybe I don't know what do you want to do? Really? Oh my god. Okay, that sounds amazing. I'm totally with you, yes. And then at night we can take a walk outside. Yeah, like at the beach. Like our line's a bit close to the seaside, so like we could go there and like take a walk. Yeah. Okay, great. Sounds amazing. We can get corn dogs. Yeah. And if we like have sure, why not? We can go there. We can go to an amusement park. We can enjoy rides. Like I like the merry-go-round cup ride. I really like it. You know, it's slow, it's amazing, but then like you spin the wheel in the middle of the merry-go-round and like it goes faster. So it's really fun. I want to go there. So we're gonna go to the amusement park tomorrow too. And then we could come back home. We could make dinner together. Or maybe if you want to eat out, okay, we'll do just that. Whatever you want. It's all about you. I'm not stressed. You are. You're just overworked. And after that, when we are done eating dinner, we can... Ew. Shut the fuck up. No. Stay away from me. I don't want to cuddle you. Why would I cuddle you? We're not dating, are we? Are we? Are we? Do you think? No, we're not. No. I wouldn't. No, please. Shut up. Don't look away. Please look away. Please look away. Oh my god. Please look away. Too cute. Yeah. Okay. Yes, of course. I totally get it. Alright. Yes. And then the other day I'm gonna take, because 2 days, and then they're only 2 days for my finals, like between my finals. So I'm gonna give 1 day to you, and then I'm gonna give 1 day for go through and revision. No, first exams. I think it's botany, so it's not that big of a deal. It's easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yeah. So after that, we're just gonna go to bed. Yeah, in our separate rooms. Pervert. Don't look at me like that. Oh my god. Honestly. You look like you need a hug. Yeah, you do. Come here. Yeah, come here. No, let me stand up. Come here. Your hands are not cold anymore, and your body's warm too. Let go? Oh, okay. Let go. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. It felt really good. It's been a really long time since I've hugged anyone, so. Alright, so, you lie down, come on. Yeah, I'm sitting. Oh, okay, I'll go. I was just gonna, use my computer. All set? Yeah, just lie down there, close your eyes, and relax. I'm gonna take my computer, and I'm gonna head out of your room so you can relax. Oh, you want me to stay? Alright, I'll do that. I can do that. I would love to. Yeah. I'll sit beside you. Here, on your bed. Can I? Okay, great. Uh-huh. Uh, yeah, no problem. I can scratch your head. Yeah, no problem. Nah, you're too cute. No, I am complimenting to you. Okay, I am complimenting you, and this is not okay. You want to turn? Okay, turn away all you want. Turn away all you want. I am not flirting with you. It was a compliment, dumbass. Just take it. All right. Now close your eyes. And good night. What do you mean? Okay, you're my roomie and my homie, and homie's kiss good night. Yeah, like on the forehead. Ew, bro, look away. Just go to bed. Yeah, I'm just gonna look something up. Close your eyes. Go to bed. One more. Fine. Two more. Good night.